Hi everyone, Byron Martin here at Logies, and it's Christmas time, and some of the plants that we see in the trade are native plants that bring color and flavor actually to our home and windowsills. This Gaultheria, which is the common winter berry native to our area here, produces an abundance of obviously berries, and the berries actually have a wintergreen taste, quite delicious, not really sweet, but has a lot of flavor to it. And they do make a good potted plant for a period of time. This is not the plant that you're going to grow as a house plant, but you're going to use it during the winter season and then put it outside in the summertime where you can culture it as a perennial. And winter berries are plants that do very well under sunny conditions, but they also can be found growing under forest canopies. So either way, you can grow them in sun or shade. And as these are little pots, if you want to keep them in the pots, you can sink the pots into the ground, make sure they're watered properly, because remember, those roots aren't going to be contacting soil around it. And this will grow out as a spreading vine, and then they can be picked up again and then used again the next season. You can also divide them if you want to actually make more, and you can trim them back. But you have to remember that that growth that is coming out next spring is where those little flowers are going to form as we go later into the season. So a great little plant. It actually can be a perennial in your garden, and you can use it during the holidays for decoration or amusement. If you'd like more information, visit us at logies.com.